Find a point parallel form for the line parallel to x1 equals s, x2 equals 4 minus 5s, passing through the point 0, 3. So, we want a point parallel form, so we need a point, which is great, we've got one. But we also need a direction vector for this line. And all we know about this line is its relationship to this other line. So let's imagine two lines that are parallel. There's the one we want going through, what was it, 0, -3, I think? 0, 3, sorry. So we want that line, we need a direction vector for it. Now, what have we got? Well, we've got point parallel form. What information, especially what vectors, can we learn from parametric form here? Okay? So, parametric form, you can quickly read off both a point on the line, and you can also read off a direction vector by taking a look at the coefficients of your parameter. So 1s and minus 5s's. So that's a direction vector on this line that we're given. What do we need? We need a direction vector for the other line. So any scalar multiple of 1, -5, since it goes in the direction of this line, will also go in the direction of this line. And that will make a great direction vector. So we could, I think it's easiest to just take 1, -5 as the direction vector for the line we're trying to make. Okay? But I will point out any scalar multiple will do. So here's another answer. It still means the exact same line, but maybe 2, -10. Right? That's a perfectly acceptable answer. Right? It doesn't have to just be this vector here. So when you're doing, say, a multiple choice question, and you get your answer, but you don't see the 1, -5, look for scalar multiples. Okay? Here's another perfectly good answer. Now let's scalar multiply this thing by a third. We could have 1/3, -5/3. That also will mean the exact same line. These are all the same line, just written with different direction vectors. But all these direction vectors would still work. Okay? Personally, for a written question, I'd prefer the simple answer, but be aware for multiple choice answers that you could get lots of different possible direction vectors, and we need to be able to tell which ones work and which ones wouldn't.